Hello, friends. A lot of people have asked me what Paranormal Dayz is. Well, to me and Amanda, the Paranormal Dayz is a way of bringing people in the paranormal community together to open up people's minds, to teach them and show them new things or things they may not have thought of with our presentations and lectures, which are conducted by a lot of different people. Everyone from the UFO community, paranormal community, ghost hunting, hauntings, New Age, astral projection, past life regression, through to cryptids. We will be presenting a myriad of different topics and from different subjects in the paranormal field. It's also a place for people to express themselves and ask questions, or give us their experiences, to come forward and meet other people in the field, to make new friends, new networks, to build a community that will talk to each other. Now, it's not going to be easy. There's, the paranormal community has, in the past and currently even, is can be quite aggressive and quite competitive, which it really shouldn't be. We just want to make a safe place for people to come forward and talk to us. So that's what Paranormal Dayz is. A safe place to exchange ideas, to learn, make new friends, make new networks, and really enjoy yourself and the subject that you love. I hope you enjoy it. Take care.